In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable AnyDesk on your Windows PC in just a few simple steps. This is useful if AnyDesk is not starting automatically when your computer turns on, or if you accidentally disabled it and want it running again for remote access. I'll keep this quick, clear, and easy to follow so you can get it done in under a minute. And if this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple tech tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, open Task Manager by pressing Ctrl, Shift, and Escape on your keyboard at the same time. This is the fastest way to get into your system tools without having to search through menus. Once Task Manager opens, look at the tabs across the top and click on Startup Apps. This section shows you the programs that are set to launch when Windows starts. Now, scroll through the list until you find AnyDesk. If it's disabled, it won't run automatically in the background, which is why enabling it is important if you want easy access later. When you see AnyDesk in the list, right-click on it. A small menu will appear, and from there, select Enable. As soon as you do that, Windows will mark AnyDesk as allowed to start with your computer. That means the next time your PC restarts, AnyDesk should be ready to go without you having to open it manually. If you don't see AnyDesk in the Startup Apps list, it may not be installed correctly or may not have been added to Startup yet, so you may need to check the app itself or reinstall it. But in most cases, this simple startup setting is all you need, and that's it. You've now enabled AnyDesk on your computer. If this tutorial helped you out, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you never miss another helpful guide. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.